Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mortal Kombat 1 on your Android device. While a native version isn't available, you can still experience the intense battles. We will cover the primary methods, focusing on cloud gaming, which allows you to stream the full game directly to your phone. Get ready to learn how to set up your device for an optimal fighting experience. Cloud gaming is your main avenue for playing Mortal Kombat 1. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream the game from powerful servers. You will need a subscription to one of these platforms and a robust internet connection, ideally with download speeds of at least 25 megabits per second, to ensure smooth, high-definition gameplay. For the best fighting experience, a physical controller is essential. Connect a Bluetooth gamepad to your Android device. This provides much greater precision than touch controls. Many cloud services offer on-screen button mapping, allowing you to customize your layout. Minimizing input lag is crucial for executing combos and reacting quickly in fast-paced matches. To further enhance your Mortal Kombat 1 experience, close all unnecessary background applications on your Android device. This frees up system resources for the streaming app. Always use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or even a wired connection to your router if possible to reduce latency. A consistent connection with low ping, ideally under 30 milliseconds, will significantly improve your gameplay.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.